The OECS Human Data for Development Conference, April 12 to 14, 2022, strengthening the use of data for inclusive and sustainable human development. Don't miss this 3-day virtual experience. Human development is about expanding the quality of every aspect of human life to improve their well-being. Join the discussions with a cross-section of stakeholders from academia, government, civil society, NGOs, and development agencies. Learn how to use data to track human development. Listen to leading panelists in education, demonstrate how data has improved decision-making, understand the power of data to improve social protection, get the youth perspective, and check out the engaging poster competition. The conference will reinforce the urgency for having data management systems that are resilient, accessible, and optimal for the OECS region. Register today at oecsdatafordev.vfairs.com.